Hello guys, this is Mobile Free once again. In today's video, I am back with a news that Airtel now provides a new feature using their down payment method. You can buy new phones like Samsung S9 and S9 Plus at a very nice scheme. So, for knowing more about that, you need to go to the Airtel store and click on the Airtel online store by Samsung, that link, and they will show you offers like you can either choose Samsung Galaxy S9, iPhone 8, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and S9, two variants, 256 GB or the 64 GB, iPhone 8 and iPhone X. So how does this work? They just describe this. First of all, you need to select the smartphone, check your eligibility and get instant loan approval. Pay a small down payment and commit to an Airtel postpaid plan for 12, 18, 24 months as applicable. Get the phone delivered in your doorstep. Get it now. So, what does the monthly plan cover? Device EMI cost, unlimited calling, up to 80 GB data, handset damage protection, free 1 year Prime subscription. The handset damage protections only available on devices with MRP 26,200 and above. So what does that mean? So first of all, you have to pay 9,900 rupees and get a smartphone, either the Galaxy S9 64 GB or the Galaxy S9 plus 64 GB, or you can choose the 11,000. So the cheapest is the 9,900. So what you want to do is you need to pay 9,900 rupees and enter into the Airtel plan. So there are two Airtel plans, that is 2,499 plan or the 2,799 plan. So I will just describe you about the Galaxy X9 64 GB plan. After clicking that, you can clearly know that you can choose the color of the phone from here and the storage variant. So if you are choosing the 128 GB version, the price one time payment will be increased, so better stay with the 64 GB version. So the 9,900 pay you need to pay the 9,900 rupees first, then the Airtel plan into 24 months. You have to pay 2,499 rupees for 2 years constantly. So that means the total amount will be like 9,900 plus 24 into 2,499, which means 69876. So that means that will be if you are minusing 11,976 rupees, that is the actual price of the phone. That means the company will be getting 11,976 rupees extra for our purchase. So but considering the things which we get from the 2,499 plan, that will not matter. Okay, 80 GB per month, free Amazon Prime subscription, free handset damage protection, unlimited calling and AR emoji also. So what that may be, but the main thing is you will get 80 GB net and a free Amazon Prime for 1 year. So that is a really great thing. So the plan will go for 2 years, but for all you will get the free Amazon Prime version for only 1 year. But that is also a good deal. The 80 GB per month is also good. So to if you are willing to do if you are willing to buy this, you can go to the Airtel store. This is a very nice, and down payment means you don't want to pay the money together, you can just pay it by turns and turns. So but the total amount will be a little bit higher, but actually I think it is worth it if you can't pay it all together. So guys, if you find this video useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Okay, and there is also an application called one ad which I would like to introduce you guys. I already made a video, but if you guys have already seen it, there is an application called one ad which allows you to make money. All you have to do is register with the referral link. This is my referral link. If you are joining this one ad with this referral link, you will get a amount of 3 rupees, and I will also get an amount of 3 or 4 rupees. That means if you are joining this and you are using your referral code to join your friends, you will get a monthly payment. So it's a very good and effective app. If you haven't already downloaded this, I will leave the link. That's it for today's video, and I will catch you guys in the next video.